Hey, you okay?
Yeah, it's just that.
It's just that what, babe? Come on, you can tell me anything.
Remember when we were in Hawaii?
Yeah? Yeah. I mean, how could I forget? You were clinging to me the whole time.
I am, well, pregnant.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, wait. What?
Great job, Master Dick. Yet another rugrat to feed. Alfred, you better pick that up right goddamn now.
Eh. Oh. Oh, God. Ugh. The sight of Dick and Babs just doing it, it's... Uh. Uh. uh oh, God.
Oh, shut up, asshole.
Well then, now you know why you can reveal your secret identity to her, 'cause this shit might happen.
Anyway, we need to tell my dad at dinner tomorrow.
Oh, shit. I am so screwed.
This is great, Dad. You haven't lost your touch.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Gordon, it's great.
Don't be a smartass, Grayson. Now tell me the news.
Well, you see, Mr. Gordon, your daughter, Babs is pregnant.
What the hell, Barbara? You're only 18.
Dad, stop. It's not a big deal. We'll be good parents, right, Dick?
Uh-huh. Yeah, of course we will. I mean, we might even be better than you. Am I right?
Where am I supposed to go now, Dick?
You can live with me. All right? And Babs, you see, there's this thing that I've been meaning to get off my chest, and I'm trying to say, will you marry me, Barbara Gordon?
Oh my God, yes.